face. Look at that little sleepy girl. Oh, I love you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Walmart beauty box for spring. I have my cute little puppy monkey here, so she's going to be joining us today. I did want to mention that I am not wearing any makeup because I'm trying a new medication and I can't with my skin. So just be prepared for a couple of videos of fresh-faced me. And let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So if you're unfamiliar with the Walmart beauty box, this is a seasonal box that Walmart sends out full of different kinds of products within the beauty realm. So sometimes it's skincare, hair care, body care, makeup, and I believe the cost that you're paying for is just shipping, which is $6.97, if I remember correctly. I think this box has one of the most incredible values out of any box that I've ever tried because of the quality of what you're getting for the low price. There are a few different versions. It looks like this spring I have version 10. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. You have a little spotlight, and then it does come with all of the different products. Now you're not going to get every single thing in this card, but these are all the items that you could get, and it does give you some information on pricing and things like that. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing in here is a set of stick-on nails from Kiss. These are some of my absolute favorite kinds of nails. I love the press-ons. I absolutely love the Kiss brand as well. And these are really cute. They're definitely a little longer than I normally go for, but they're really pretty. I like this pink color a lot. And these are a full size at $7.97. So we already got our money's worth here. So definitely a big win. Then I'm seeing something from Kristen S. And this is the Style Reviving Dry Shampoo. This is cool. I actually have not, oh, my camera does not want to focus. There we go. I actually have not tried anything from the Kristen S brand, but I've heard really good things. So let's see what it smells like. It smells like dry shampoo. Definitely doesn't smell like anything super special, but it does say that it is vitamin enriched, so that's a little different. The full size of this, which would be 4 ounces, is $14.97, and this is 0.6. So definitely a sample size, but I prefer this size, especially for a dry shampoo I've never tried. So that's exciting. Then we have something from CeraVe. I feel like we either get something from CeraVe or Cetaphil every single time, and I'm not complaining. I love both brands. I think I actually have this exact cleanser in my shower currently. This is the Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser for normal to dry skin. Pretty exciting. The full size of this is $12.47, and that would be 12 ounces. And this is $1. This is 1 fluid ounce. So there's that. And then we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Okay, another cleanser. And this is $8.99 for a full size, and the full size is 7.8 ounces, and this is 0.5. Ooh, okay, looks like we have a fragrance. This is the Juicy Couture. It's Sunny Honey. Okay, I used to be obsessed with Juicy Couture. I can't remember what the perfume is called, but I was into it in middle school. Ooh. It definitely, Viva La Juicy, that's what it's called, Viva La Juicy. Okay, it has a little hint of that, but it's definitely on the sweeter, summery side. Ooh, I'm really into this. Okay, let's see what it says. It says, notes of Italian lemon, jasmine blossom, and the warm, relaxing feel of golden amber to melt your worries away. That smells really good. I definitely think I'm going to wear this. Ooh, I can't stop smelling it. I really like that. Okay, that's really exciting. And the full size of that is $38, which honestly for a perfume is not horrible. Okay, then we have something from Marc Anthony. I think in my winter box, I got a Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner, and I love it. I forgot how much I like Marc Anthony products. I am just so happy to have tried it. I really, really like it. So I'm happy to have something else. This is, I don't know why this is so hard for me. The Rescuplex Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for all hair types. Looks like this. I don't know why that gold was just so hard for me to read. Let's smell this. That smells really good. It definitely smells like a very high-end salon, and I'm here for it. And this is $8.47 for a full size, which is 8.4 ounces, and this is 1. So that is cool. Oh, okay, then we have something in here that has a lot of foil packets. This is the color correcting serum. Okay, so it looks like depending on your skin tone, you would decide which one you would be using. So it goes from light to dark skin tone. I'm gonna guess I'm going to be probably the fairest because that's usually where I fall. That's pretty interesting. So this has a redness neutralizer, which as you can tell is definitely something that I struggle with. So that'll be really interesting to try. And this is from CoverGirl. So full size of these moisturizing primers are $14.98. So that's pretty cool. I feel like this was a really good box. I mean, we definitely started out strong with something that already covers the cost of the box and that I probably would have bought anyways. Plus, then we get to try some new products that I probably wouldn't invest in, but may end up loving. I'm really excited for this leave-in conditioner, and then always happy to have some new cleansers, a new dry shampoo, and this perfume that smells amazing. So I'm super happy with this one. I feel like I got a really good box, and I am very impressed. Walmart consistently they just nail it every time. I love their clothes, I love their furniture, I love their home decor, I love their beauty boxes. I'm really happy. So if you're interested in trying the Walmart beauty box, I will leave a link down below for you to try it out. And I'd love to know if you already subscribe. If you do, what box did you get and what was your favorite product in it? And if you've used any of these products, definitely let me know what you think of them and what your experience has been. But thanks for coming and hanging out with me today. I super appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!